Welcome back to the Delaware Way. It's never too early to talk about next year's race for Attorney General. Why not? Everybody else is. And a name you may be hearing is Thomas Neuberger, Esquire of the Neuberger firm. Now, are you running or are you not running?
I'm seriously running. We'll make the announcement in January. Right now we're issuing position papers and we're trying to identify key important issues that the people have to address.
I'm glad you cleared that up because I'm reading the articles about you and it says you're considering a run every time I read about you, but then I thought to myself, well, if he's considering a run, how is he asking for a debate at the same time?
Oh, you can debate, and they're refusing to debate me. They don't want to talk about sexual harassment of women, for example. Okay, Tim Mullaney said, no, I will not debate him on sexual harassment of women.
It is the issue of the country right now, and every single day we hear about another name of another powerful man that's being accused of sexual harassment. It hasn't hit Delaware yet, though, has it?
No, not yet. But I've been an employment lawyer for 43 years. Okay, I've been representing women. Okay, and the federal law that was enacted in '64, 50 years ago, was so construed by the courts that it's totally inadequate. A woman can only get relief in the workplace if what's happened to her is severe or pervasive. You know what severe means? If you're raped. That's the only time you're going to get relief, okay? Otherwise, the case will be thrown out because of the restrictions judges have put on the law. Our Delaware law follows the federal law. Our General Assembly needs to loosen that law up so that the hourly woman who's going to be threatened with firing if she doesn't put out, okay, can go to court with an aggressive lawyer and get relief.
You're going to go down to the lobby for this. What else?
Well, the most important thing is House Bill 125. Okay, in the last 15 months, we have had 5 public safety officers die brutally in Delaware. Okay, we had Trooper Ballard die. Okay, we had Lieutenant Stephen Floyd tortured, executed, and died. Okay, we had 3 heroic Wilmington firefighters going on the scene of an arson that was set to kill people who died. Guess what? The Delaware Supreme Court said there's a technical glitch in our death penalty law and we have to change it. We have to make sure that when a jury in its wisdom feels that something is so heinous that there should be a death penalty, that they unanimously agree and that the judge agrees with the 12 people. Okay, that's fair. And that's serious, okay? The House of Representatives passed a bill fixing that glitch, okay? In March, the trial of the alleged killer of the 3 firemen begins, okay? In a year, we're going to have the trial for the alleged killers of Stephen Floyd. Guess what? The bill's in the Senate, and the word is out that Democrats are going to kill it, and there will be no death penalty in Delaware. And Sean Lynn is running on the Democratic ticket saying, if I'm elected Attorney General, even if there is a death penalty, I will never, 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 never authorize.
You acknowledge there are some problems with the death penalty.
And it's been fixed. It's been fixed, okay? It's been fixed according to what the United States Supreme Court says needs to be done.
How much influence can a Republican who wants to run for statewide office have in a Democratic legislature?
Well, I know last night that the Wilmington firefighters local at their membership meeting unanimously voted to lobby the 4 Democratic senators in Wilmington.
So you're saying
for
it's
passage.
Not just you?
So no, there's people out there. Sure, absolutely. Okay.
And you're giving them your services
sure.
in this? Have they contacted
right.
you? Are you going to represent them?
Sure. This has got to be done by January. The trial is in March for the alleged killers of the firefighters. March. The Attorney General, the homicide unit, is prosecuting them for murder 1. Okay?
So after you announce in January, what can we expect from you?
I'm trying to light the fire now because it's got to be done now. That's why I'm running. That's why I'm considering throwing my hat in the ring now. Because if we wait till next June, it's too late. It's too late for the trial for Steve Floyd. That bill's got to be enacted now, and nobody's talking about it. Have you seen anything in the paper about it?
No, sir, but I appreciate you coming in. Please come back after you announce, would you please?
Okay.
You're going to have, he's full of passion. Thomas Neuberger, Esquire of the Neuberger firm, an expected candidate for Attorney General for the Republicans. Stick around. The Delaware Way continues right after this.